Let's look at number 11. Again, we're giving a similar question, bless you, where we want to know where does the function f and g intersect. And where they intersect, it says where are all the points where they intersect. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to take this ln, oh this looks like a lot more difficult, and I'm going to compress this. So notice how right now it's in expanded form. Right now it's in expanded form. Also notice that when I look at this, I have the exact same log base. It's still the ln, which is natural log, equivalent to log base e. So let's do condensed form. Addition turns into multiplying 2x plus 3 times x minus 1, and the ln of x squared plus 6x minus 9. Now we don't have any additional numbers, so we can go ahead, like it's not like plus 4 and minus 7. So what we can do, since we have the same log base on both sides, is we can cancel it. And I'm going to start by foiling. Front, outside, inside, and last. And I'm going to move everything to one side. Now, I had a student who was present with me in class, and she made a great point. I said, you have to show all of your work. Well, if it's the multiple choice, they're not going to check if you show work, right? It doesn't matter. But for your benefit, it's going to help you, because as soon as you do the FRQ, which is the free response, if you're asked to do some procedural work like this, just know that missing any step will not give you the points. So it's good practice just to get in the habit of doing all of this. Okay, now I'm going to see how can I solve for x. So it's quadratic. I use completing the square. I generally choose not to use that, a little more work. Quadratic always works, and sometimes we can use factoring, which seems to be the easiest. Well, it multiplies to give us positive 6 and combines to give us negative 5, negative 2, and negative 3, x minus 2 and x minus 3. I'm going to set each one of these factors equal to 0, and I'm going to solve. And in doing so, I get one answer of 2, and I get another answer of 3. One answer of 2 and another answer of 3. But that doesn't mean that they both are solutions. I got to come right back up here and make sure that what's behind, once I substitute in, still gives me a positive. Again, I had answers of 2 and 3. Let's start with by checking 2. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 3 is positive. 2 minus 1 is positive. 2 squared is going to be 4, plus 6 times 2 is 12, minus 9. Okay, well that's going to be 16 minus 9. It's positive. So I know that 2 works. Anything that has a 2 works. Now let's check on 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. It's positive. 3 minus 1 is positive. Then over here, 3 squared is 9. 3 times 6, and then minus 9. And we can see that I end up with 18, which is still positive. So 2 and 3 work. Correct answer is going to be A.